Hi everyone, for today's episode, we are going to learn the different polite expressions in Bisaya. If you're ready, let's get started. Please in Bisaya is palihog. Palihog. Please is palihog. Palihog. Let's put that into example. Please open the door. In Bisaya we say palihog kog abre sa purtahan. Please palihog. Open is abre. Purtahan is door. So please open the door. In Bisaya is palihog kog abre sa purtahan. Thank you. In Bisaya is salamat. Salamat. Thank you is salamat. Salamat. If you want to say thank you very much, we say salamat kaayo. Salamat kaayo. Thank you very much is salamat kaayo. I'm sorry in Bisaya is pasaylua ko. Pasaylua ko. I'm sorry is pasaylua ko. Pasaylua ko. Okay, let's have a review. So, how do you say please in Bisaya? That's right, it's palihog. Palihog. Please is palihog. How about thank you? How do you say thank you in Bisaya? That's right, it's salamat. Salamat. And thank you very much is salamat kaayo. Salamat kaayo. And if we want to say I'm sorry, we say pasaylua ko. Pasaylua ko. If you have more questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!